Hi and hello guys. Actually, I wanted to make this video on this December release of Raspberry Pi OS quite some time back, but I had shot the video, but unfortunately I fell sick. I contracted a viral infection and I couldn't edit the video. So there are three main things that needs to be focused with the December release. The first one is the ease of printing documents with the Raspberry Pi, and then the YouTube playback from the browser. So ETA Prime has done an extensive job and a very good job of covering the video playback and the printing stuff in this video. So what I'm more interested is on the audio related improvements to the Raspberry Pi OS. So I'll quickly talk about as to why this is a big deal. So right now, if you take a look, I have got the Google Assistant running on my terminal, and if you take a look at the audio from the taskbar or the menu bar, whatever you call it, from the audio icon, you can see that we have the input and output devices segregated. Okay, so the big deal here is, even while you have the Google Assistant running or any other assistant or any application running, you can change the microphone, or you can change the audio out and the audio in without affecting the program or application that is being run. Okay, so I can switch between multiple mics, and I can switch between multiple audio out devices without the service being affected. This is really a big deal. Okay, so that is why I'm really very excited. And another thing with the Pulse Audio is you don't need any configuration files. So previously we had to configure asound.conf and asound.rc files for the ALSA and the audio devices to work. So you don't need it right now, and certain USB DACs are plug and play. So this is the big deal over here. Okay, so this is what got me excited, and yeah, that is pretty much it. So this audio improvement is sure to benefit those running voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, Mycroft, and others. Okay, so this really got me excited, and I just wanted to convey this in my video to my viewers over here. So that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Take care and mind yourselves. Bye bye.